Hello guys, I'm a math teacher Tao. Today I'm going to share with you how to use Desmos to find factors of a polynomial. First, let's take a look at an example. In this question it says a factor of 2x cubed plus 44x squared plus 234x is x plus b, and b is a positive constant. We need to find the smallest possible number value of b. So first of all, you need to know that there is a relationship between x-intercept and factors. So for example, if I have a factor which is x plus 2, and that means I will have an x-intercept which is negative 2. Okay, let me illustrate this. For example, I have this polynomial x minus 1 and x plus 2. And the graph for this polynomial has two x-intercepts. If I click on them, one is negative 2 and one is 1, right? So that corresponds with x minus 1 and x plus 2. So remember that the number in the factor has opposite sign to the x-intercept. Okay. Once we know this, so let's input the polynomial in the question into Desmos, and then the Desmos will graph the polynomial for us. And we can find that there are three x-intercepts: negative 13, negative 9, and 0. So the corresponding factors will be x plus 13, x plus 9, and x minus 0, which is x, right? Okay, x plus 13, x plus 9, and then just x. Because the b is a positive integer, so we can just choose between the first two factors. Okay. Since we're looking for the smaller value for b, so that is 9 in this case, right? And you see that in order for this polynomial to be equivalent to the polynomial above, we need to add a leading coefficient, which is 2. So now you can see that these two polynomial has exactly the same graph. Okay, so we find that the three factors are x plus 13, x plus 9, and x. So the value for b, which is the smallest value, and also being positive, is 9. Okay, so to recap, in order to find factors for polynomial, what we need to do is first input the polynomial into Desmos, and then let Desmos draw the graph for us. And all we need to do is just click on the x-intercepts and find out the corresponding factors, and then see what the question is asking you to do. Okay, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.